Inogen Rove 6 portable oxygen concentrator is the ultimate solution for on-the-go oxygen therapy. Step by step, we'll walk you through its setup and operation to help you navigate your new device. Let's start by attaching the battery. Find the grooves on the bottom of the unit, line up the grooves of the battery with those on the device, and slide the battery securely into place. To charge your device, simply connect the AC power adapter to a wall outlet or use the DC power cable in your vehicle. Both options allow the unit to operate while simultaneously charging the battery. It's important to know that when fully charged, the standard battery offers up to 6 hours of operation on a setting of 1. With the extended battery, you can expect up to 12 hours on the same setting. The Inogen Rove 6 comes with a nasal cannula. Connect it to the unit by firmly pressing the tubing connector over the nozzle located on the top of the concentrator. Then position the cannula on your face, ensuring the tips rest comfortably inside your nostrils. Press the power button once to turn on the device. You'll hear a brief beep and see the display activate. To personalize the pulse dose settings, use the plus or minus buttons to navigate and adjust to your medical prescription. Be sure to consult your doctor to determine the best setting for your needs. Once the battery is fully charged, your device is ready to go. To carry it easily, attach the included carry strap directly to the device or to the carry bag, whichever you prefer. With its comprehensive alarm system, the Rove 6 will notify you if there's a low battery, low oxygen levels, no breath detected, or any system malfunctions. If you have any further questions about your Inogen Rove 6, please reach out. Our oxygen experts are ready to help. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.